Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we will learn how to solve the practice problem linked list length even or odd. Okay, so first let us understand the question. We are given a linked list, let's say 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so first we need to find the length of this linked list. So let's say it's 4. Okay, now we need to check if the length is an even number or odd number. So it can be easily done if I divide it by 2 and try to find the remainder, that is modulus, and if the remainder is equal to 0, then it's an even length linked list, otherwise it would be an odd length linked list. So I hope the concept is clear to you, and now let's work on this concept to solve the question. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Then you need to find the problem linked list length even or odd. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the problem now. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Given a linked list of size n, your task is to complete the function is length even or odd, which contains head of the linked list, and check whether the length of the linked list is even or odd. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you, and we need to code it here. Okay, so let's code it. 1 minute. Enter. First step is initially the count is 0, right? Now next thing is current header. Okay, current is head. Enter. While we are on the current. Okay, then what? Then I need to keep on moving forward and keep on increasing the value of count, right? So current plus equal to current dot next. I need to keep on moving forward and keep on increasing the value of count by plus equal to 1. Okay, then I need to check if the remainder modulus. So then backspace, return 1. When would I return 1? If count modulus 2 is equal to 0, right? Or else what do I need to do? Else I need to return 0, right? Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. 1 minute. Let's wait. Let's see. Compilation is completed. Just 1 minute. Okay, there is a runtime error where, so there is a runtime error in somewhere over line number 9. Okay, so line number 9 is current plus, okay, sorry, it should be equal to, sorry. Compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed. So my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Let's see. Okay, so the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem linked list length even or odd. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.